This is how you can create a smooth text animation on Premiere Pro. Let's jump right in. We'll start by adding a text. Simply press T to activate the Type tool, then click anywhere on the program monitor and type whatever text you like. Now press V to switch back to the Selection tool. Hold Ctrl while moving your text, and Premiere will snap it perfectly to the center using those red dotted alignment guides. But before positioning your text, here's a small tip that'll save you time later. Set your text alignment to center first. Why? Imagine changing the font size, or even the wording later. If your alignment is already centered, everything stays perfectly aligned without needing to reposition it again. It's one of those small workflow tricks that makes editing much faster. Next, hold Alt and drag your text layer to create a duplicate. Now select the duplicated text. Inside the Effect Controls panel will change its appearance. Instead of using Fill, enable Stroke. Set the stroke width to 1, and for the color, I'll choose a nice sky blue. Let me quickly hide that first text layer so we can clearly see the result. Now select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that completely covers the text. But now our rectangle is added inside the text layer. Don't worry, simply deselect all layers first. Then create the rectangle again so that it'll be placed on its own separate shape layer. Next, arrange everything so the two text layers stay on the top tracks while the shape layer sits underneath them. With the shape layer selected, head over to the Effects panel and search for Wave Warp. Double-click to apply it. Then search for Track Matte key and apply that as well. Go to Effect Controls. There are plenty of parameters of Wave Warp effect, but for this effect, we only need to increase the wave width. Around 75 works for me, although you can always experiment with different values. You can already see that smooth wave animation starting to take shape. Now in the Track Matte key settings, change the matte to Video 3, which is the track containing our filled text layer. Next comes the animation. Let's animate its position. Start by increasing the Y position and create your first keyframe. Move a few frames forward, then lower the Y position until the animation reveals about half of the text. Of course, if you prefer revealing the entire text, feel free to adjust it to match the style you're going for. The animation already looks good, but we can add a little depth. Duplicate the same shape layer onto Video Track 2. Then change the fill color of the lower shape to a slightly darker version of the same blue. Make sure you're on the last keyframe, then lower its Y position just a little more. That tiny offset creates a depth. Finally, let's finish the reveal. Move a few more frames forward and add one last position keyframe. Lower the Y position until the animation completely fills the text. At this point, you'll probably notice there aren't enough frames left, so simply extend the duration of all your layers, giving the animation enough time to finish naturally. And just like that, you've created a clean, smooth text animation entirely inside Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in the next tutorial.